Two little shark cars are happily playing soccer. The yellow shark car kicks the ball toward the goal.
So nice!
And the pink shark car catches it perfectly.
Yeah! It's my time!
Wow, the shark cars are really good at soccer.
It's amazing! Very nice. Who is next? What is this?
Nearby, the cement mixer is repairing the road.
I got it! Okay.
The soccer game starts again.
Nice! Transformation!
Oh no! The pink shark car misses the ball.
Good job! Let's go!
Mix a truck.
The soccer ball flies away and hits the cement mixer that is working on the road. The cement mixer suddenly loses control.
Woo! What happened?
It feels scared and starts crying. The two little shark cars are worried and quickly try to help. The yellow shark car goes to the garage to ask the crane truck for help.
Help me! Open. What happened?
Crane truck.
Help me! Help me! Okay. Hey, you. Come here.
The crane truck arrives at the scene.
Transformation! Are you ready?
First, it helps lift the cement mixer back up. Then it puts the cement mixer onto a tow truck and sends it to the repair shop.
Nice! I like it. What's next?
The pink shark car calls the crusher truck.
Here. Okay.
The crusher truck breaks the damaged road surface.
Who is next?
The dump truck brings sand and fills the big hole.
Cool.
Now it is time to repair the cement mixer.
Are you ready?
First, the workers repaint it.
Amazing. What's next? Okay.
Then they polish it until it is smooth.
Cool.
Next, they fix the leaking mixer tank.
Wow.
Finally, they repair the dents on the body.
Yeah.
The cement mixer is fixed.
It's so nice.
The repaired cement mixer mixes concrete again and repairs the road until it is flat and smooth.
Good job.
Huh? The dump truck reminds the little shark cars, always look around and stay safe when playing soccer.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.